Let's assume you have a complicated rebar form and you made it in Polyline. Then after that you want to convert this polyline to rebar. Simply you have this command, which is polyline to rebar. I'm going to create a random polyline, PL, enter, and then I'm going to create my polyline. This is a random one for just exhibition, sorry. So I'm going to convert this polyline to a rebar. Simply you click to polyline to rebar. You specify your diameter. I'm going to use 12. Enter. Select polyline. And this is the magic of AutoRebar. See you next time.